Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. We're back at Menards to pick up some more free stuff. I know it's the end of the week and yeah, it's just about over. However, all these deals have been on my website since last weekend, and they're also on the app, the Circleville app. So, you've had plenty of opportunity to get them yourself, but this is the first time I've been able to get out to the store. So here we are. We're going to go inside and pick up the free stuff for this week. Alright, Monica and I have managed to make it inside the store, but I have a problem. Monica, do you want to know what my problem is?
What's that?
Yeah, no one can hear that.
What's that?
My problem is, I don't know what the deals this week at Menards are. Do you have any idea how I can find out what the deals this week at Menards are?
Yeah, you go to Struggleville Net Deals and you get the app.
Yeah. And then what do we do?
And you have to have an Android.
Yeah, if you're an iPhone user, you're just shit out of luck. That's awful.
Go to Menards.
Uh-huh.
And hey, look.
Oh,
there's
look.
some free items.
There's some stuff that's free. What's that first one?
Master Force 15 resin handle handsaw.
Ta-da! Aw, autofocus, you're a bitch. There we go.
Limit 2.
Limit 2. There's only 2 left. It was meant to be.
This one we're not gonna get.
What? Oh god, no. Not getting the coffee mugs. I believe they're no limit. They're no limit, right? There's no use for getting those. So now we need the Rubber Set Value Painter 4-inch polyester paint brushes, and they are limit 6. So let's go. Not free, but that's okay. I love my dogs. I will splurge and pay 97 cents. I was gonna say 99 cents. I wouldn't pay 99 cents. 97 cents is the limit. So we can get them a duck. Oh yeah. So there's no limit on these. We're gonna get a duck. Oh, do I want a black duck or a brown and white duck? If I buy a black duck for my dogs to chew on, does that make me racist? Everything else makes you racist. If I don't buy the black duck, does it make me racist?
Do you ever notice that most dogs like the gray animals? Or like the gray?
I don't know what,
like
I don't know what race is that representing?
Nothing. I don't think they see color.
Oh, well then why does it matter if they get gray? Alright, we're getting a duck. Are those the same things?
Mm-hmm, but they're different, but they're part of the cell.
We got an elephant that's gray. Scooter likes his elephant. Maybe he'd like a replacement elephant. Yeah. You were not. At least you weren't on camera for that, but you did drop it on the ground, so that was a good deal. Okay, so we'll get a. Should I get a lion? Would he like a lion?
It's only squeaky one spot.
Oh no, the head. We could start a band. Yeah, that's not annoying at all. Alright, let's go. Alright, back to free deals. We have paint or stain brushes. I still haven't figured out what the difference is between the paint and stain brushes. Limit 6, it says somewhere on there. Regular price $5.29, so... Those are all paints. Where are the stained ones? Oh. So there's the stained ones. We want paint, right? I want paint, so 6 of those. And let's move on to the next free deal. Alright guys, our last free item for this video is the Menards reusable bags. They're 98 cents with a 98-cent rebate, making them free, and it is no limit. Usually there is a big bin in the store that's just a rack that has a ton of them, but all I can find them here is on the ends of the aisles. You can see there's just one here. I'm going to see if I can find at least 10, but the last time they did this deal I bought 100, and I haven't used any of them yet, so I don't really need any more. Let's see what we can get. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'd like to find 3 more. Get the back of his shirt. Ah, crap. Alright guys, that is it for this week's Menards free item haul. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for target subscriber. Go to my website, struggleville.net, to see all the Menards deals every week. And if you sign up for the email list, you will get said email every week when new deals come out. And Monica, do we think it's going to be 11% next week?
I have a strong feeling.
Strong feelings about it possibly being 11%. However, I was damn wrong last time I said that, so maybe not. But we will see in a few short days. Thanks for watching, guys.